Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change microphone to use for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and in accessibility we have the microphone line. Tap at this line. So by default it swaps between the microphone. It depends what you use, not closest to you, but you can set it to always use at the left earphone or at the right one. Let's say I want for the left one, and you need to only click confirm. Then we need to check, and then I recommend it to check is it reconnect. Yes, we have it. Okay, now we can tap on them and check is it change. Let's go. Yeah, and we use on the left earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.